Alright guys, hope you liked the intro. It took me a while to make that last night, and I finally got it converted right so it didn't look like turd. Put it in my iPhone because I couldn't get it on my phone because iPhone and whatever format's problem. So anyways, almost done with this. Yesterday this box over here took about probably like total between the end of Friday and yesterday probably between 14 to 16 hours for 2 guys, and basically we did this one by myself today in 5.5 to 6 hours with the help of someone just to hold it up and get all the pipes in. So anyways, literally I didn't even measure this with the lock nuts. I just, whatever the pipes were, I just measured them, cut the holes, which was a bad idea because some of these are extremely tight. Just barely got this one on, so all the lock nuts are on, the box is hanging. Just have to push it back a little bit more and then tighten up some of these lock nuts, and then I'm basically done, just retighten these straps. So lunchtime, so I just wanted to give you guys a little update, and then we'll probably hit her back here, show you what it looks like when it's done. But I just wanted to show you guys what not to do. Make sure you use your lock nuts and make sure you have enough space to twist them, or make sure they're just interlocked. So try to lay out your lock nuts first on the box and then mark it instead of just marking where the pipes are at, because sometimes they're really tight and you might not be able to get a lock nut on, but I lucked out. So make sure you do that first. And I'm gonna go to lunch, but I just want to give you guys a little update. So just have to tighten these bolts up in there, tighten these lock nuts on the inside, tighten these screws on the top row, and tighten the straps on the top and bottom. So almost there, about 5.5 to 6 hours in. So about saving, what is that? I can't even think right now, 8 to 10 hours or something. So really got the method down. So really loving it. Just, yep, okay, going to lunch. I'm hungry, bye. See you guys soon. All right guys, so now at the end of the day, all finished. Basically this took 6 hours and 15 minutes. The other one over here took like 14 hours to 16 hours, so shaved about 10 hours off, so that was great. Basically just had my coworker help me hold it up while I bolted it up, and then we banged it together and got all the pipes together. So that's the only help I got from him, and then did everything else by myself. So pretty proud of myself, and it turned out great, except for the fact that I didn't account for the closeness right here. I could have spaced this out a little bit more instead of fighting to put the lock rings back on. So got everything tightened back up on top and bottom. So got that done. So hopefully you guys can bear with me just doing these videos. I do enjoy just talking at the end of the day, but I know you guys like the how-to videos, but I don't really have anything to do right now for how-tos, but I do have some stuff coming up, like 3-ways, 4-ways, vanity lights, and all that stuff. But right now I'm just not working on that stuff, so hopefully you can bear with me while I do these at the end of the day. Anyways guys, thanks for watching, I appreciate it. I was probably gonna say something else, but I forgot. Tomorrow I'll be drilling holes in the other side of the box, both boxes actually, and then drilling holes through the wall right here for the flex to go through into the panel room. So I'll be making this look like Swiss cheese right here, and then above this door and probably that door, Swiss cheese as well, to get all 44 of these flexes in, 1-inch flex through the top of the ceiling right here. So it's gonna look crazy. Then somehow I'll try to have to support those coming across the ceiling, probably at least once. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Got another box done. So I was probably gonna tell you how to do this, but I forgot. Maybe I don't remember. I kind of told you yesterday, but just have to really measure these out. Measure a couple times if you have to. What I did was I just made a list right here, and when you hang the boxes backwards, so this right side, when you have it on the ground, it's actually on the left side, depending on which way you're looking at it. So you kind of start from one way and work backwards. So what I did was on the top row, I just wrote down the first, in between the first and second pipe was 1 inch and 1 1/16 inch. Between pipes 2 and 3, yada yada yada. So there's 12 pipes on top, and on the bottom row, just the same thing, just measured in between center to center. And then transfer those numbers. Transfer those numbers on these lines right here. So I wanted to make these pipes as high as possible to keep clearance from that sprinkler pipe. So I just put a lock ring and then measured the center of it, made a line on both sides, or made a mark on both sides, made a line. And then I knew the gap right here was 4.5 inches between this line and this line, so I made a mark and made a line. And then that's when I transferred all these numbers over, on the lines, and then just pre-drilled the hole, and then used the carbide 1 inch, and then drilled those holes with cutting oil. And then I put all of these on the top and then into the box, and then on the bottom 6 pipes I just put the connectors on the pipes themselves, and then cut the holes in the strut again, hung the box, and then we just slid it forward. And so that was pretty much it. So hopefully that helps you if you're wondering how to do that. And then loosen these up so we can get everything just right. So it'd be a different story if these pipes were in concrete or something and they weren't movable, but because you can adjust these a little bit, you have a little bit of playroom in your holes. So try to give yourself a little bit of gap if you can, so you're not fighting the lock rings. Anyways, guys, I think I spent too much time talking about this. I was gonna make this short, but hopefully you enjoyed the intro video. I spent some time on it, so let me know what you think, guys. Appreciate it. Don't forget to check out the giveaway, the description for social medias, and I appreciate it if you give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're new or you want to check back for the videos tomorrow or want to support me. Thanks, guys. God bless and have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.